I'm out here messing with the trucks today, man. I got the white truck all cleaned up, about time. So we got the bubble over here, man. Y'all see what's going on out here, man. Got the bed finally on. Yeah, I still gotta clean that bed out though. The inside, I ordered the bed liner, the spray. So yeah, that's coming out. I ordered the spray. I got the wrong marker lights. I didn't know they was different for this year. And so I got the headlights. The headlights finally came, man. They came. These the headlights right here. So they came and the plug was the wrong plug. But I ordered the right light. They said that all they lights are just a particular plug, so I had to wait another couple weeks, man. And these just came today. That's why I'm doing the video. I'm about to put these in. They some adapters. I wish they would have told me when I ordered the lights, but hey, I mean, who does that? I mean, they just wanted more money, I guess. So I paid the extra cash, man. I still got to get another set of side markers. I couldn't find the right ones that was clear. So I guess I'm gonna have to order some regular ones and tint them black. Yeah, man. It finally came together. All that dirt up under here. I just washed that mud. Oh, that's water. Look at that. Dang. Oh, I ain't got the spoiler on because I'm just gonna take like I said, I'm just gonna take the whole truck to him and have him just blend all the paint in and all that stuff. So yeah, it's coming together, man. Got this thing sitting over here. That's gonna be the next project. The RT Dakota. I'm about to put these headlights in so y'all can see how that's gonna turn out, man. Yes, sir. I'm so happy, man. I got most of this stuff done. I still gotta put the red lights up under the wheel wells. I end up going with the red, but I got them up under here. I still gotta cut this out, the little extra little piece, but I do got the lights inside of there so you can see all that. I'll probably let you see it in a minute because by the time I get done putting these headlights in, it'll probably be the perfect time for y'all to see it, man. It might be a little bit darker, you know, outside. But let me do this and I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Man, this is what I meant by the plug was different. See how that one's kind of on the angle? I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's kind of on the angle. And this plug is just, yeah. Why? Don't make no sense, guys, but it is what it is. But y'all definitely need to tell that next time you try to sell some shit and not provide the adapters to go with it. But it is what it is, guys. That's what it is. I'm not gonna get the name brand out of there. Well, the supplier, I guess. I will show you. Well, you can look these up. Just the hollows. I typed in red LEDs, so yeah. But yep. that is what it is. I'm about to get these in here so y'all can see it. Hold on. Man, take that difference out. Can't really see the lights in there right now. They up in there. Like I said, I still gotta cut the rest of this out, and it's gonna look way better. That look good though, man. I think I might put some lights in that grill. Put some red ones inside of there too, but I just want to see how it's gonna look at night with coming out the nose or whatever it is. Then fog lights. See, he had painted the dang fog lights, so I think I'm gonna tint the fog lights. I'm gonna get them tinted, and the side markers. Like I said, I'm gonna order some new side markers. I wish I can get the dang clear ones, man. I got the clear ones, them things. I'm so mad about that. So mad, because it would have looked good. Watch. Especially on this side. Look at this side looking so sad. But look, just with that white though, it would have, man, it just would have looked so good. And I can't believe they are different sizes. As you can see right here, this was the issue. These little pins on the side, them way off, separated, and this is just wider. So yeah, man, that sucks, man. And I can't even find no other ones. Like I said, I'm gonna have to order the orange ones and paint them black. I'm gonna try to do some more research. I did a lot of research though, and I'm not saying I can't find them, because I found a lot, but they're just all sold out. They're out of stock. So maybe get back on there and get lucky. Who knows? But no, that did turn out pretty good though. It's definitely coming together. Well, I'm about to get these kids on this four-wheeler, man, ride them around for a little bit, and call it a day. I'm gonna try, if I don't forget, I'm gonna try to get this video, a little footage when it gets darker, so I can see how it comes through the hood. Appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for watching. I need to get the red emblem on that. I swear I do. I need that red emblem. I need to get them. I need to put a couple up under these wheel wells, man. But yeah, it look good. It look good.